6 DNLA killed in encounter. At least 6 cadres of Dimasa National Liberation Army were killed in an encounter between Assam Police and Assam Rifles. Acting on tip-off, both Assam Police and Assam Rifles raided in Dhansiri area of Karbi Anglong in wee hours today where the encounter took place. Huge cache of arms and ammunition were recovered from the spot. The identity of the deceased were yet to be known. The investigation is ongoing. For a few days, the activities of DNLA involving killing in Karbi Anglong were on the rise.
Hello viewers, you're watching Hills Life. This is a big breaking story coming out from Karbi Anglong. In a major development, 6 Dimasa National Liberation Army, in short DNLA, were shot dead during a joint operation of Assam Police and Assam Rifle in the Viava Huron today at Misi Bailam along Assam-Nagaland border. During the operation, 6 Dimasa National Liberation Army has lost their life. And also during the operation, huge caches of arms and ammunition has also been recovered from their positions. It may be mentioned here that on last May 19th, one Sonjoy Ronghang of Daozing Pang of Dhansiri, a local priest, was shot dead by a suspect in the Dimasa National Liberation Army. In connection of this, a search operation has been launched by the Assam Police and Assam Rifle in order to nab the culprit at Misi Bailam area. As per the sources that what we have received, that the anti-social activities has also been actively done by the Dimasa National Liberation Army in Misi Bailam area. In this regard, that Assam Police and the Assam Rifle has such operation in order to nab the culprit. And this is Vivian Longhirongpi reporting from the Karbi Anglong.